How to create subpages in Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a page and a subpage for that specific page into the Hostinger website. So the process is going to be very easy. We are going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and we are going to see the H panel or the dashboard of our Hostinger. Now we're going to visit the website section and then we're going to have the websites lists. We're going to select from the list the website that we want to add this modification to. Basically, we have this website, which is going to be the only website I have. And we have the logo of the Hostinger website builder on it. This is the official logo of it. So that means that when you click on edit website, it will take you to the main navigator or the main editor. We're going to click on edit website. We're going to wait for the website to install its elements real quick. It will not take a lot of time. Now, what are we going to do here is to head over the page. But first, how is a subpage is going to appear, or how is the subpage or the drop down menu for pages is going to be appearing? It is going to be something like here or like that. For example, we have the shop. The shop is going to be the main page, and the subpage is going to be all the products and the new section. So either you are going to create a, let's say, a page and a subpage, or you can create here a folder for dropdown. This is going to be a folder for dropdown because the shop is not going to be clickable. Now, how we can create the majority of pages and subpages? You're going to head over the left side of the screen, click on pages and navigation. From here, we are going to see all the pages that we have. We have the hidden pages from the navigation. We have also the main navigation in here. Now, all of these are going to be pages and links. Now, how we can add a page? I'm going to create a page by clicking on add page. And so we are going to add, for example, a service page. I'm going to have this added. I'm going to put the name of the on the navigation of it. For example, services. Do you have service in here? We have it. This is it. So we are going to have it as service. Social image, I'm not going to modify that. And also the password for privacy, I'm not going to add it. Click on save. Here we have added the page. Now, let's say that this service page, I want to add a subpage for it. So this is the service page. I'm going to clear up some of the elements in here. So the return policy, I do not need it. I'm going to delete it. So the subscribe, I'm going to hide it. The about, maybe, or the about this, I'm going to hide this or delete that. And finally, some of the spaces. Now, the whole page is going to be here. So maybe we are going to add the about page as a sub page. So if you are going to create a sub page, it is basically going to be another page that is going to be created like that. So let's drag here the about under the services. I want to have this about as a sub page for the service. So I'm going to name it, for example, about our service. Services. So I'm going to have it just like this. Now I'm going to add it as a sub page of services. I'm going to drag it or drop it here at a little bit to the left side of the services or at top of service, and it is going to be here. So I'm going to have here the things set up. Maybe you're going to put in here. So I'm going to repeat the process real quick. So you are going to drag and move the page that you want to make it as a sub page for another page. So I'm going to make this about our service a sub page for services. I'm going to drag and drop it about or above the service just like that until it will be highlighted. And you're going to put it just like this. So we have this line, as you can see, put like that. So we are going to put it like this. Maybe you are going to be obliged to drop it or drag it a little bit to the left or right side, and it is going to be here. So you're going to see that service have a sub page. We are going to click on here, and also it is going to be click on it on the both elements. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.